Hello viewers, many people were actually looking to buy iPad 11th generation during Big Billion Days sale, but the price of this iPad did not go as low as it was expected. Right now, if you are planning to buy this iPad, you can buy this at a price point of 29,000 rupees using Axis or ICICI Bank credit card. The price should have been at least 26 to 27,000 rupees maximum. There is no denying the fact that iPad 11th generation is a very good iPad. It comes with A16 Bionic chipset and also currently it is running on iPadOS 26, which is feature rich. You will have lots of customization option in iPadOS 26, so using iPad 11th generation in iPadOS 26 will be a joy. So you have to take the decision whether you want to wait for another sale to get the price down, or you want to buy this iPad right now and enjoy the new features on this iPad. If you start using this iPad, you will definitely love this iPad. The display, the portability, the battery backup, the software updates and the processing power in videography or video editing and playing games are excellent. Also, there is no mention of iPad 10th generation in Flipkart's Big Billion Days sale or even in Amazon Great Indian Festival. As Apple has discontinued iPad 10th generation, Flipkart and Amazon are also in the same league to abandon or not to sell this product anymore. Similarly, the price of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus is around 32,000 rupees, and using credit card you will get 7,000 discount and the effective price will be 25,000 rupees. So if you are looking to buy a very good Android tablet, in that case you can consider Tab S9 AP Plus at 25,000 rupees, though I think it is 2,000 or 3,000 rupees extra that you are paying. Similarly, if your budget is above 35,000 rupees, in that case you can buy Tab S9 tablet at 35,000 rupees from Amazon Great Indian Festival using SBI credit card. This is also a very good tablet to buy. The processor, the display, the battery backup and also the software updates will be very good on this tablet. So these are some of the tablets and iPads that you can buy right now. If you delay, maybe the price will increase and then you will have no option of buying other than at a higher price tag. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, hype the video and share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.